What is vocabulary? Vocabulary is the collection of words that a person knows and uses in a language. Welcome to Class 1. Abandon means to leave something. Example: he abandoned his dog. Abbreviate means to make shorter. Example: TV abbreviate television. Ability means power to do something. Example: the have ability to speak. Aboard, on ship, plane, or bus. Example: he is aboard the bus. About means almost, nearly. Example: I am about to eat. Above means higher than something. Example: the sun is above us. Abroad means a mother country. Example: my uncle lives in abroad.